Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-40T-DN double-sided conference management countdown timer. What the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to simply regulate how long conferences are to last from two separate sides. And how it will work is the client will set the desired time to count down from via our push button switches, which can be located at the top of the enclosure, and then will count down from the desired time that the client has set from two sides. So now I'm going to showcase the functions of this unit and how it is meant to work. So as you can see, this unit is a double-sided DC-40 unit, and as you can see the digits from both sides. So whatever happens on the front side, it will happen on the back side as well. So first things first, we're going to simply set a time to count down from. So we're just going to start with something simple. Let's just say, like 5 seconds. So we do this by pressing the set seconds button right here. Just press down on it and we wait until it reaches 5. And from there we have set the countdown timer to count down at 5 seconds. And in order to start the time, we can press the start and stop button to start the time. Press it again to stop the time. We also have a reset to the last value button at the very end in order to reset everything to the last value. And so as you can see right here, I'm going to flip it again to showcase that it is indeed set for 5 seconds on both sides. I'm going to press the start and stop button again. And as you can see, as the timer reaches 0, the LEDs begin to flash in an alternating fashion. So it'll flash for a second on one side and it'll jump to the other, like so. In order to get to stop, you just simply press the 0 reset button. You can also do the same thing when you're setting the time. So let's say that you set it for 3 minutes. You can press the 0 reset button to reset it back to 0 if you figured that you want to have it count down from a different time. You can also start it, stop it, and either reset it to the last value, like I just did before, or you can simply reset everything back to 0. And keep in mind, when you start the countdown, the 0 reset button will not work unless it is stopped. Unless the timer has stopped. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, as you can see, its enclosure is an aluminum black powder coating that is fingerprint and dust resistant. Its display size is 4 inches in LEDs, which are viewable up to a total of 200 feet on both sides. The number of digits that it has is 4 digits that counts down from a grand total of 99 minutes and 59 seconds. Its power type is a 120 to 240 V AC power wall adapter. And lastly, for accessories, it is a double-sided enclosure on the front and back side, and it has push-button switches for setting the countdown timer. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-40T-DN double-sided conference management countdown timer. Thanks for watching.